Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Jiuzhantou Cultural Association was formed to promote and develop local arts in Hsinchu County. The association introduces visitors to straw craft, the 9 dolls, and Hakka puppet performances. The most unique attraction in the area is the Shipo Temple. The original meaning of the word Shi is wizard, but this isn't a place of worship for wizards, but rather midwives. According to legend, the temple was built after a midwife helped many families without charging a cent. After she passed away, the villagers raised funds to build a temple to worship her spirit.
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka on Icrt.
唐中朋友大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And when Leo's here, we get to go to different places around the island.
没问题。
Hey, so we're going to take you to Hsinchu County. Where are we going, Leo? 我们今天要带大家去哪儿呢？
我们今天要去望山乡。
望山乡哦，这是一个乡镇嘛，叫做
横山
乡。对，我知道，听说过。这里有什么好玩的？
这里有一个地方叫做九站头沙崎。
九站头沙崎。
九站头社区。
九站头就是1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9，然后
站不站的站。
九站头，这里有什么地方值得参观呢？
这边有一间宫庙，其实还蛮特别，我们以前没介绍过，叫做三婆庙。
三婆庙，庙就是庙嘛，我记得没错的话。
对。
三感觉又跟数字有关，是3吗？1、2、3的3？
不是
哦。
哎呦，这个字就难了。这个字要念习。它就是一个巫师的巫，然后旁边再一个剑。
Really? Okay, this is a very unique Chinese character. It has a wizard in it and the word "si" in it.
其实“习”这个字本来是指男巫，但是呢，在这边供奉的不是男巫它是供奉散婆。产婆，所以你有没有发现到，刚桑婆跟散婆其实音很像，
很像啦。
所以他们有很多的说法，其中一个最比较让人家相信的说法就是它是一个谐音，然后呢，它这间庙就是供奉产婆的嘛。
Alright, the reason it's called a male wizard temple is because it sounds like that word actually sounds like a midwife, and so this temple is actually for midwives to go there and do their bye-byes and whatnot, right? Okay, let's review these terms. The temple is called 习婆庙，是不是？
对，桑婆庙。
桑婆庙 and then the actual midwife is 产婆。
散婆。
See, it sounds so similar, right? That does it for today. Talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.